of your tank?
Did he stop it or did he already leave?
Did you get it?
Okay. That's nice of him. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. What? That's what I was afraid of. Yeah. Yeah, thank you.
I about got hit 4 times.
I'm sorry.
I was gonna just come back here.
I was like, it's right there. It's not hurt. It's good. I can get it. I pulled off, and then I didn't go far enough out of the turn to pull off.
Yeah.
I should have pulled farther up.
I was just gonna come up here and turn around and go get it.
Yeah.
That's all I was gonna do too, and I saw you were gone. I was like, did he go back?
I figured it'd be gone because the other car, huh? I figured that car saw it. I figured that car was gonna stop picking up out of it.
Yeah.
Oh well. Not too bad.
Nope.
Well, if I can get to stop recording.
Well, you're recording with the 360.
Yeah, I was gonna try to stop this one.
Alright.
But I think the button's on. I had an amazing time my first time on the Dragon on my Zero SRS. Even though I dropped my camera, and also the most dangerous part of the trip, the parking lot at Tail of the Dragon, where I ended up dropping my bike, it was still just a great time. If you would like to see the full 360 video of the Dragon and my ride up Foothills Parkway, you can find it here. Please remember to like and subscribe for more SRS adventures.